Welcome back. Today we are going to see about homophones, homographs and homonyms. These are not three different topics. These topics are related to one another. You might have heard about homophones, but you might not have heard much about homograph and homonyms. Now we are going to see each of these three types with some examples. First, let us see the simple one, homophones. Okay, homophones are words which sound the same but which do not have the same spelling. Okay, homophones are words which sound the same, which have the same pronunciation, but they do not have the same spelling. These are called as homophones. And homophones comes from two Greek words where homo means same and phones means utterance, voice or sound. So homophones means same sound. Homophones means same sound but different spelling and different meaning. Now let us see an example to understand homophones better. Sun and sun. The first sun is S-U-N, sun, and the second sun is S-O-N, sun. The first sun refers to the planetary body which gives light to the other planets, and the second sun refers to a male child. So here there are two different words. They are pronounced the same, but the spelling of these two words are different and their meaning is also different. So these two words are a very good example for homophones. Here is another example, break and break. The first break is B-R-E-A-K, break, and the second break is B-R-A-K-E. Okay, now let's see the difference between these two words. The first break, B-R-E-A-K, refers to the action of breaking something. Okay, you drop something and it shatters into pieces. Okay, or you apply force on something, or you apply too much force on something and it breaks into pieces. That action is called break, B-R-E-A-K. And the second break, B-R-A-K-E, it refers to the instrument used in a vehicle to slow down the vehicle. B-R-A-K-E refers to the instrument that is used in a vehicle to slow down the vehicle. So these two words are also a very good example for homophones. Now let's learn what are homographs. Homographs are words which have the same spelling but different pronunciation and different meaning. Okay, homographs are words which have the same spelling but different pronunciation and different meaning. And homograph is also of Greek origin. Homo means same and graph means writing. So it means together it means same writing. And here's the first example for homograph. Minute and minute. If you take the word minute and minute, the spelling for these two words is the same. They both are spelled the same, M-I-N-U-T-E and M-I-N-U-T-E. But one refers to the unit of time. Minute refers to the unit of time. Minute refers to anything that is very small. It was so minute. It means it was very small. And here is another example. And this is a very important example because people do not know there is a difference between content and content. Usually everyone just pronounces it as content, but it's not so. There is a difference between content and content. Okay, the spelling is the same. content, content. But when you say content, it means you are satisfied. When you say you are content, it means you are satisfied. I am content with what my parents give me. It means you are satisfied with what your parents give you. On the other hand, content, again the same spelling, content, it refers to the list of items or things present. For example, the content page in a book gives you the list of things that will be available in the book. It is not content page, it is content page. So, content means you are satisfied, satisfaction. Content means list of items or things, and they both have the same spelling. The pronunciation is different and the meaning is different, so it is a very good example for a homograph. Now let's learn what homonyms are. Homonyms are words which have same pronunciation, same spelling but different meaning. Homonyms are words which have the same pronunciation, same spelling but different meaning. Again, this word has a Greek origin, and homo means same and nyms means names. So, homonyms together it means same names. Okay. Now let's see some examples. And here's the first example. Duck and duck. D-U-C-K duck, D-U-C-K duck. The pronunciation is same. The spelling is same. But there is a difference in meaning between the word duck and duck. One duck refers to the bird. Okay. The bird duck. And the other duck refers to the action of bending down to avoid something. The action of bending down to avoid something. So, duck and duck pronounced the same, spelled the same, but the meaning is different. Okay. So, this is a very good example for homonyms. Let's see one more example. Book and book. B-O-O-K book and B-O-O-K book. One book refers to the object book. Okay. This is a book. This is a book. Okay. It refers to the object book. And the other book refers to the action of securing something, booking something. Okay. Refers to the action of booking something. I booked a train ticket. Book a ticket for me. Book a ticket for me. So this is also a very good example for homograph. Now let's quickly go through all the three. Homophones are words with same pronunciation, different spelling and different meaning. Same pronunciation, different spelling and different meaning. And the next one, homograph. Okay, homo means same, graph means writing. Different pronunciation, same spelling, different meaning. And finally, homonyms. Homo means the same, nyms means names. Okay, they have same pronunciation, same spelling but different meaning.
Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr, purr. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr, purr.